Anyone who has gone through with the first exercise? I will be discussing some of the question, not all of the question. Remember this, okay? Because all the questions are last year based. So let us discuss some little bit difficult question from this one. So exercise first one is basically depending on the rectangle and the rectangle and the square area and perimeter. So first I will begin with question number 1. What it is telling here: the length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter. In means length is also given and breadth is also given. Now question is telling find its area. ठीक है, find its area. ठीक है, this question it's asking about only area. Now what you are going to do, just you need to find it out area. The value is given here, length and breadth. You know that what will be the formula which you are going to apply. Just do that. First one, question number 1, area of land. It is given rectangular shape, so it means L into B. When you are talking about L into B, it is given here 500 and this is given here 300. So when you are multiplying 5 with 3, it will give you 15. 2 zeros from here, 2 zeros from here, it will give you square meter. ठीक है, it will give you square meter. Now the question is telling the cost of land. You have to find it out. If 1 meter of land cost rupees 10,000, it means if you're talking about cost of 1 meter square, ये कितना है 1,50,000 meter square, and the cost is given for 1 meter square land is rupees 10,000. ठीक है, so now if you have to find out this one, the cost of 15, then 4 zeros more, 1,50,000 meter square land will be 10,000 multiplied by 150000. So when you will multiply, too many zeros will come. 15 पहले आ जाएगा, 4 0 यहाँ से, 4 0 यहाँ से, total zeros will be 8 zeros. 4 here, 4 here. This is 15. This is in rupees. Is it clear? Question number 1 is the simplest question I can tell you. Nothing is asked, only simply area and the costing of it. Any confusion in question number 1? Any confusion? Okay. Now moving on to question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320. Now here the question is telling about square park. Okay, it is a square park whose perimeter is given. Now you know that what is the perimeter of a square, that is 4 into side. So with the help of 4 into side, you will take out the side of that square park. And when you will take out the side of a square park, you will be easily finding out the area. Question number 2, do you have any confusion or should we do that? Question number 2, will you do that or should we discuss? Tell me. Yes or no?
We will do.
Ma'am, we can do.
Yes, question number 2 mein beta nothing is there. The perimeter is given. Perimeter, the formula is 4 into side. So when you have to take it outside of this land which is given here, it's in the form of square park, it will be perimeter divided by 4. So perimeter is what? How much is given? It's 320. So 320 divided by 4, when you will get the answer, you will take out the side, and जैसे side निकलेगा, you can find it out the area side into side. It's okay? Like it would be
Yes,
300. 320 divided by 4, which will give you side, and side will give you 80 meter. Now just you need to find it out, area side into side. Now this is one question. Now moving on.
6,400.
Yes, answer would be
That's
6,400.
6,400.
Yes, 6,400. चलो अब मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 व्हाट इट इज सेइंग. Question number 3 says find the breadth of a rectangular plot of a land if its area is 440 and the length is 22 meter. Find its perimeter as well. Again the simplest question. If you talk about question number 3, it is also the simple one, only you have to find it out the breadth. Area is given this time. So area of plot, because it is rectangular plot, so the here area is given here 440 meter square. ठीक है. Now what is the formula of plot? Because it is talking about rectangular, so the formula would be L into B. Beta, the formula is most important in mensuration. This is the branch of mathematics that is called mensuration. Remember, whenever you talk about area, perimeter, the concept of volume, in these kind of cases, the most important part is formula. If your formula is wrong, everything is going to be wrong. So if your formula is correct, at least you will get the marks in formula as well. और अगर आपकी पूरी proceeding सही है, तो then you will get the correct answer as well. So here L into B means 440. Now what is given as here length? Length is given as 22. हमने रख दिया यहाँ पे 22. Breadth हमें पता ही नहीं है, तो हमने breadth को B रख दिया. It's 440. Now when you will solve it, B is equals to 440 divided by 22, which will give you 20 only, because 22 2 ja 40, 44. So it will give you 20. Now B की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई हमारे पास? 20 meter. Now you need to find out its perimeter as well. It means area of plot दिया था, हमें perimeter of plot भी निकालना है. So perimeter of plot would be, what would be the formula? Can you tell me?
Meant 2 into length plus breadth.
Beta, whenever you are replying anything, na, try to reply on the chat, not speaking like that, because there are other students as well and I want to know the answer from everyone. ठीक है? In this way, when you answer, other will not be able to answer, है ना? So the formula would be 2 into length plus breadth. Just put the value 2 into, now what is the value of length? Length was 22. Breadth just we have taken out, it is 20. Now solve the bracket, it will give you 22 plus 20, which will give us 42. And this is 2. The answer would be 84 meter. This is just again a simple question of question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Any confusion till question number 3?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No confusion.
No, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. Now question number 4. What question number 4 is telling? Let's discuss. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पर perimeter दिया हुआ है, लेंथ भी दी हुई है, हमको उसका ब्रेथ और एरिया निकालना है. बिल्कुल यही क्वेश्चन जो मैंने अभी ऊपर किया है, इस बार पलट दिया. पहले एरिया दिया था, इस बार पेरीमीटर दे दिया. जस्ट यू नीड टू पुट द फॉर्मूला एंड do the question. Just do it in front of me. All of you do it just now here only. I'm giving you time. Question number 4. Let us try here only. Perimeter is given here 100 centimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth is equals to 100. Now please put the value in this formula. The value of length is given 35. जहां पर length आएगा, you need to put it 35 plus b is equals to 100. Now we have already done how to solve simple equations. Now by solving simple equation, you let me know what answer you will get it here in chat box, please. And chat box should be personal, not in open, not to everyone. Just send me the personal message what answer you will get it in breadth, and then take out its area also. Here we are using the concept of simple equation as well.
Ma'am, I've sent my answer in chat box.
Good. Very good. I have started getting the answer from everyone. Very nice. 35 plus b. So जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा b is equals to 50 minus 35, which will give us 15 meter. Now breadth we have got it. Now you need to find it out its area also. So here we are talking about L and B. It means we are talking about rectangle. Rectangle area would be L into B. So L into B means L की जगह पर कितना आएगा 35. Breadth की जगह पर आएगा 15. 15 5s are 75. Carry here 7. 15 3s are 50. 15 3s are 45. 45 and 7 will give you 52. 525 square meter would be the answer in this case. Okay, this is question number 4. Now moving on to question number 5. The question number 5 says the area of a square park is same as of a rectangular park. It is just like a simple equation question. आपको यहाँ पे दो कॉन्सेप्ट, एक हिंट दिया हुआ है कि जो एरिया स्क्वायर पार्क का है वही सेम एरिया रेक्टेंगल पार्क का भी है. If the side of a square park is given 60 meter and the length of rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of square park. This question, just you need to use the concept of simple equation in a very fine way. Just I am only making the statement, you start solving that. Question number 5, area of square park is equal to area of rectangular park. ठीक है? Now what is talking about area of square park? What do you understand by the formula for square? It's side into
side.
Absolutely. Side into side. But when you talk about area of rectangular part, the formula becomes changed, that is L into B. So I have placed this value. ठीक है? अब आगे पढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन में. Question is telling here the side of the square is 60. So side of the square is 60. So I have placed it here 60. यहाँ पर भी रख दिया मैंने 60. रहने दिया. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question is telling here that कहाँ गया? The side of square park we have written the length of rectangular park is 90. Length की जगह पर रख दिया मैंने 90. Now breadth is unknown to us. So let us put breadth here. Now you take it out breadth and tell me what answer you are getting. Write it down the answer to me personally. Solve it and let me know what answer are you getting for breadth. Just use your mind, use the concept of simple equation and find it out the value of breadth in this case.
Perimeter will be same and area will be different.
Absolutely.
The perimeter, but area will be
Yes,
different.
Okay, okay. Can you tell Supriya? Okay, good. Very nice. The concept will remain same, that is the boundary. क्योंकि बाउंड्री में जो रोप लगी है, जो बाउंड्री में रोप लगी है वो अल्टीमेटली यही रोप है. तो ये हर बार वही रोप है, हमने इसको कुछ भी चेंज नहीं किया. इट मींस 30 मीटर, इसका भी पूरा का पूरा पेरीमीटर अगेन 30 मीटर, इसका भी पूरा पेरीमीटर अगेन 30 मीटर, इसका भी पूरा पेरीमीटर मिला के 30 मीटर. इट मींस कोई भी शेप आप इससे बना लो, एनी शेप विच यू वुड लाइक टू मेक इट, यू कैन मेक इट. Perimeter will not change. Perimeter will remain same because Perimeter means the length of boundary, and the length of boundary is made by that particular rope only, which is given as a common. But area will remain change. Why area will remain change? कभी शेप छोटा बन रहा है, कभी शेप रेक्टेंगल बन रहा है, कभी शेप हमारा ट्रायंगल बन रहा है. So in that particular case, area will remain different, but perimeter will remain same in each case. ठीक है, चलो इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा अपना दिमाग लगाइए और खुद से ट्राई करने की कोशिश करिए कि क्वेश्चन में हम सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे. लेट मी रीड वंस अगेन द क्वेश्चन. A wire is in shape of rectangle. Wire जो दी हुई थी वो rectangle के shape में थी पहले, and it is the length was given 40, the breadth was given 22. The same wire is rebent in the form of square. What will be the measure of each side, and also find the shape encloses, which shapes encloses more area? Will you be able to do that, or should I tell you? पहले लेंथ ऑफ रोप निकालिए, पहले लेंथ ऑफ वायर, सॉरी पहले लेंथ ऑफ वायर निकालिए. ट्राई वंस. फर्स्ट यू टेक इट आउट द लेंथ ऑफ वायर. हाउ विल यू टेक इट आउट द लेंथ ऑफ वायर? बिकॉज उसी शेप से बनाया गया स्क्वायर. तो द लेंथ ऑफ वायर विल बी द पेरीमीटर ऑफ विच शेप?
rectangle.
The perimeter of
rectangle.
Yes. Question में it is given rectangle only. The rectangle was meant. So it is 2 into length plus breadth. So which will give us 2 into length. Length कितना है भाई यहाँ पे? 40 है. Breadth कितना दिया है? 22. I have placed it 22. Now when you will multiply it, 40 plus 22, when you will add it, it will give you 62. And जब हम solve करेंगे, it will give you 124 meter. So 124 meter is the length of wire. ठीक है. अब इसी वायर से बनाया गया कौन सा शेप? स्क्वायर.
स्क्वायर.
So अगर आपको, so it means perimeter of square भी यही हो जाएगा, है ना? perimeter of square भी यही होगा, 124 only. ठीक है. तो जब 124 आ जाएगा आपके पास, तो हमको निकालना है 4 into side, because formula comes 4 into side 1 is equal to 124 meter. जब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो साइड आ जाएगा 124 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. It means 31. Side we have got it as 31 meter. अब हमें 31 साइड इसकी भी मिल गई है, और हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल का मेजरमेंट पहले से दिया था. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग व्हिच शेप इनक्लोजेस मोर एरिया. सो जस्ट टेक इट आउट द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल एज वेल एंड टेक इट आउट द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एज वेल, एंड जस्ट टेल मी which shape encloses more area. फटाफट से करो. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इधर निकाल लीजिए, and area of square. Take it out and tell me what answer are you getting in both the cases. Okay, I have started receiving the answers. Anupama says area of rectangle is coming 880 and that is coming 961. That is correct, beta. Anupama, only one mistake beta आपके answer में. Write it down square meter. Meter or centimeter जो भी. The question is given centimeter or meter?
Ma'am, centimeter.
Centimeter, sorry. So यहाँ पर बेटा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर रखो, है ना? सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आएगा, बिकॉज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एरिया. ठीक है, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एरिया, रिमेंबर. So in that case you should always put square centimeter, square meter like this. ठीक है? So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा हाँ सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर भी आ जाएगा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So this is 961 and this is 880 centimeter square and this is centimeter square. So now it asking which encloses more area. So the area enclosed by square is more. Is it understood? Yes or no? Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, clearly.
चलो अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 की तरफ. देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में क्या दिया है. द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज 130. यहाँ पर रेक्टेंगल दिया है जिसका पेरीमीटर हमें पहले से पता है. द ब्रेथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज ऑल्सो गिवन. फाइंड द लेंथ. ये आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू दिस क्वेश्चन. इट इज जस्ट सेम क्वेश्चन जो हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा किया था, 4th वाला. बिल्कुल सेम, बिल्कुल उसी की तरह है. आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम, यू डू दैट. देन आई एम टेलिंग यू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. I am giving you time. Please do that question. हम लोगों ने just अभी complete किया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 4 and 7 are absolutely same. Only the numbers are changed. ठीक है? Please do that and let me know the answer here. Everybody has to solve. And please let me know the answer. What answer you are getting? Then we will complete question number this one. Question number 8 बस बचा है, उसको we have to discuss. Do it faster please. Question number 7. Question number 8.
Ma'am, I have given the answer in the chat.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. If you see, I have started receiving the answer absolutely correct. The answer is 35 in that case. ठीक है? And area भी निकालने के लिए बोल रहा है, तो area also you can do that. Now question number 8 में बेटा we have only 2 minutes. Let us finish this exercise today only. So if you see this question number 8, it is telling here we have a wall. We have a wall and in that particular wall a door is fitted. ठीक है? A door is fitted here. So if the question is telling here that we have to whitewash this wall. We have to whitewash this wall. Can you tell me if you have to whitewash any of the wall, what formula you need or what I can tell you what concept you need? Perimeter or area? Just tell me.
Ma'am, area.
You find it out area. Why you find it out area beta? Because you need to whitewash the whole surface. You don't whitewash only the boundary. ठीक है? You need to whitewash the full area, full wall. You don't whitewash only boundary. So that is why area is needed.
Minus the perimeter of the cutout from the whole wall's area.
Correct. The reason behind what Ananya is saying absolutely correct. Let me tell you reason. Because जब भी कभी आपके घर में कोई भी व्हाइट वॉश होता है तो बेटा दरवाजे को व्हाइट वॉश नहीं किया जाता है ना, डोर को, विंडो को व्हाइट वॉश नहीं किया जाता. तो इस क्वेश्चन का सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट बस इतना है कि आपको निकालनी है इस वॉल का एरिया जो कि क्वेश्चन में डायमेंशन पहले से लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है? सबसे पहले हम निकालेंगे एरिया ऑफ वॉल बिकॉज इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डू दैट. उसके बाद we will take it out area of door. The dimensions are again which is already given 3.6 and 2. So again the formula will be length into breadth. इसको निकालने के बाद उस वॉल में से हम इस डोर को हटा देंगे बिकॉज हमको डोर को तो व्हाइट वॉश करना ही नहीं है ना. डोर को व्हाइट वॉश करना ही नहीं है, so we will take out the remaining portion, area of portion to be white washed. So if you have to take it out, this area which is need to be white washed, wall में से हम माइनस करेंगे area of wall माइनस area of door. ठीक है, और दोनों को सॉल्व करने के बाद जो एरिया आंसर आएगा, द क्वेश्चन इज टेलिंग हियर फॉर टेक आउट द कॉस्टिंग. सो जो भी एरिया आएगा यू जस्ट नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 20. आई थिंक ना द कॉस्ट इज गिवन 20 per meter square.
Yes, ma'am.
20 multiply by area. This is the final answer. Please try this question today at home. If you will not be knowing, we will be discussing in the next class. ठीक है? वैसे इस क्वेश्चन में डिफिकल्टी नहीं आएगी, I feel so, because question is just syntax I have already written. The way how we will do that. First, we will take it out the area of wall because it has to be whitewashed. But question उस wall में एक door भी included है और उस door को तो whitewash किया नहीं जाएगा, तो हमने door के area को उसमें से निकाल लिया. Now we will have only the area which is left to be whitewashed will be the remaining portion. The remaining portion means जो कि door को हटाने के बाद. So first we will minus the area of door, and after that we need to find it out the cost as well. So cost के लिए we need to only multiply with the area. Fine. So thank you very much everyone for being with me, and please complete this exercise in your fair copy. Yes.
Thank you and Jai Hind, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Jai Hind, ma'am.
Thank you and Jai Hind. Jai Hind, beta. Jai Hind. Jai Hind, everyone. Tomorrow we will have the next.
Thank you and Jai Hind, ma'am.
Thank you and Jai Hind, beta. Jai Hind, everyone. Aditi, you can stop recording.